Good evening everyone. So this time we will unbox a parcel, and this parcel is coming from Jensan from Sir Carl Michael is Makaraig. So actually no, this parcel niabot siya or dumating siya last Friday pero hindi siya nakuha. So kaninang umaga binalik ito ng LBC. So but before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. Okay, so as what I have said, we are going to unbox a parcel, and this is coming from Jensan. So I received this this afternoon. Okay, so let us try to see the condition of the flower after a 6 days na andito siya sa loob ng box. Okay, sabi ni Sir Michael, no, nilagyan niya na ito ng ID. Okay, so let us try to open this one. So maliit lang pala yung box, so that means to say hindi ganun kalakihan yung flower or yung orchid, no? So this is an orchid, no? So this is the COD, no? COD, cash on delivery yung SF, yung shipping fee, pero yung flower ay bayad siya. Okay. So, magaling talaga si Sir Michael magbalot ng parcel. O, tingnan nyo, meron pa siyang mga shredded na newspaper. No, this will help actually to protect the plants during the transit. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, so this is the first one. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang flower nito, no, when I am going to upload this on my YouTube channel. So this is, okay, tingnan natin yung pangalan, 50th State Beauty, no, this is the 50th State Beauty. And if you try to look at this, no, meron siyang healthy root at saka medyo malaki na po siya, so madali lang natin itong alagaan sa garden. Okay, maganda ang flower nito. Okay, the other one is ito yun, no? Ay, nakalagay pa talaga siya sa, okay, nakalagay pa siya sa, this is a fern slab, no? This is a fern slab. Okay, nilagay niya talaga sa fern slab, and then, okay, no? In order to protect the roots, ang kanyang ginawa, binalot niya ito ng tissue. Okay, so tingnan natin. So this is, okay, this is Vanda Denisoniania. Okay, so this is actually from wild propagation from Vietnam. So this is from Vietnam. O, tingnan nyo, napaka-healthy na po ng kanyang root. And then, tingnan natin. Maganda ang flower nito, no? I will also put the or pin, no? Kung ano yung mukha ng bulaklak ng Denisoniana pag-upload ko ito doon sa aking YouTube channel. So thank you so much, Sir Michael, no? For mura lang talaga ito sa kanya, no? Okay, no, tingnan niyo, napakaganda po ng kanyang, okay, so meron lang siyang medyo nasugat dito, pero napaka-healthy po ng kanyang roots. And then tingnan niyo, meron siyang patay na spike, that means to say dumaan na ito sa pamumulaklak. Okay, so madali lang ito, ibababad natin ito sa tubig na may brown sugar. Madali lang siyang buhayin. Okay, so ingatan natin kasi mahalaga talaga ang roots, no? Okay, yan. Dahan-dahanin natin. Okay, wow. So, tingnan ninyo, napaka-healthy po ng kanyang mga root tips, no? So, thank you so much, Sir Michael. I could not be able to worry this one kasi andito siya sa fern slab, dumikit na yung kanyang mga ugat. Meron pa siyang mga bagong ugat dito sa ilalim. So, that means to say talagang buhay na po ito. So, in the garden, in the garden, I started collecting native orchids. No? As much as possible, mga native na po sila. Hindi na ako nangungulekta ng mga hybrid orchids, no? Kasi aalagain, madaling masakit. So, ito yung mga native orchids. Ito para siyang mukara, no? Kasi yung dahon. I will ask Sir Michael if this is a mukara family or mukara variety. So, ito na po yung nabili ko sa kanya. Thank you so much, Sir Michael. Baka merong freebies. Ay, walang freebies, no? Hindi talaga siya mahilig magbigay ng freebie. Pero, what I like, Sir Michael, kasi napaka-healthy po ng mga flowers na talagang ibinibenta niya sa akin. So, maraming salamat sa panunood, no? Hanggang sa muli nating pag-unbox ng parcel. Again, thank you so much, Sir Michael Macaraig, for letting me of having this. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa lahat.